Yes,
And
from the exhibit, he said he wrote to you, but the document is not before the court. Yes.
Is that what he said?
But he has his he has a letter reaching to the pension transitional arrangement director, Peter.
They did not write to his office.
He said, yes. Yes.
Did I continue?
Udofia, he said he wrote, but it's not before the court. So since it's not here, whether he wrote or he didn't, it's still the same result.
Because H is not aware of.
What I'm trying to say is that since he hasn't presented it, we don't have any, whether he wrote or he didn't write, since it's not before the court.
Yes, my lord.
It's still the same thing. Even if he had written, but if he hasn't presented it, it's as good as it don't exist.
It's my lord. The same with the tender.
What I'm trying to say is that if he had written but has failed to produce it before the court, it's as good as it doesn't as far as the court is is concerned. Yes. Please, let's make a progress.
Is there any document to show that the first and second defendants have received exhibits JJ1, JJ2,
JJ what?
JJ5.
You see the demand letter?
No, those documents that he tendered in court.
Okay. No.
They didn't serve us.
We have JJ1, it's a letter from the Akwa Ibom State government. We have 2, we have 3, we have 4. Okay. From JJ1 to JJ5, they all emanated from the Akwa Ibom State government.
Yes, my lord.
So it's only 6 that emanated from the council to the claimant. So which you are referring from 1 through 5? Okay.
JJ5, JJ6, 8 with D.
Okay, up to 6. Yes, Mr. Joseph.
My lord.
He's saying that the documents you have presented, do you have any evidence that they got to the first and second defendant?
My lord, I was dealing with the beta.
Okay.
Who was it?
Okay. So we are dealing with the PTAD. That is the third, okay.
Third defendant.
No, third defendant is. Yes.
It is correct to say that the first defendants has reunited Pension Reform Act in 2014. It is correct to say that the first defendant has reenacted Pension Reform Act in 2014.
Reenacted?
Reenacted, my lord. Pension Reform Act in 2014.
Yes.
You want me to answer?
Yes, sir.
How can I know? I don't know what happened, but I knew that the pension law
Yes.
through the
Yes,
grapevine only.
may not know. It may be a question of law. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
It is also said that by reasons of the said act, the first defendant had given the third defendant power.
He said he doesn't know. How do you have known whether the second defendant gave powers to the
Okay, my lord.
yes.
Oh, wow. I'm sorry, my lord.
Anyway, let's hear from him whether he knows. Maybe you can make it an issue of fact. Don't fear. Mr. Odofe, can you hear me?
Yes, my lord.
You can make it an issue of fact whether he's aware that just forget about the law. Whether he's aware as a fact, just as a fact, that the second defendant, gave Peter the powers to do what you wanted to ask him. Yes?
Yes, my lord. Witness, will it be correct to say that you worked under Akwa Ibom State Civil Service and not Federal Civil Service?
Yes. Except some parts.
Yes, I worked under the Akwa Ibom State Civil Service, but not
all my services,
but not the federal government or what? Not the Federal Civil Service. Or not fair? Is that the question?
Yes, ma'am. He worked under Akwa Ibom State Civil Service and not Federal Civil Service.
Yes, but it's like he's trying to say something.
But before then, I worked for Cross River State and Eastern Nigeria. I know all these are accounted for the federal government now. Or we're accounted for the federal government for the purpose of
before then, you worked for
Cross River State and Eastern Nigerian government.
Okay.
And all that were accounted for the federal government.
Eh?
All that were paid by the federal government.
Okay. I also worked for River State or Cross River State.
River State, yes.
And Eastern. So you also worked for Cross River State and Eastern Nigeria.
Yes, my lord.
Which was paid for by the federal government.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Yes, Udofia.
It is correct to say that your salary or remuneration was based on state salary structure, isn't it?
It is correct to say so.
Your salary was based on
salary structure.
Was based on what?
Based on state salary,
Okay.
based on state salary structure.
Okay, yes, my salary was based on state salary structure, yes.
Witness, your verification process and documentation was not carried by you on time, isn't it?
I don't understand. What is
Your verification process and documentation was not carried by you on time.
I don't understand that. I don't understand your question.
What I meant is that you notice this incorrect after 1999. You say yes. So I now ask that your verification process and documentation was not carried on by you on time.
That's after retirement.
After 1999,
Okay.
that was when you noticed that it
Okay.
was short.
That is after retirement. His documentation and verification was not carried on by him on time.
Time.
Yes, yes, witness.
Yes, my lord. I did all my verifications in 10, and I was never late.
Okay. I did.
Never missed any verification.
Yes. Yes.
That is all for the witness, madam.
Thank you, Dofia.
Thank you, Margaret.
Yes, Mr. Ringim.
Yes, thank you, my lord, for the opportunity. Yes, Mr. Witness, good morning. I hope he's with me. Hello, can you hear me, Mr. Witness?
Yes, my lord, I'm hearing you. I hear you.
Yes. You worked for 35 years collectively.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I worked
For 35 years.
for 35 years.
Yes. Out of those 35 years, as you claim, only 12 years was under federal service.
In fact, 13 years. For 12 years. Yes, 12 years.
Is it 13 or 12?
12 years.
12 years.
I worked for 35, but out of the
35 years.
5 years, I only worked for 12 years with the
Federal service.
okay, federal. Yes. Yes.
And when you exit the federal civil service, can you tell us what your rank was then?
But my lord, I worked for 35 years on the whole.
You told the court, you
For
already
instance, of that was counted for the federal government.
It's cracking. I couldn't get.
I couldn't hear you. Sorry, my question was specific. What was your rank when you left the federal civil service to Akwa Ibom, to the state service, after your 12 years? What was your rank?
I was financial controller of grade level 15 before I came to Akwa Ibom.
Grade level 15.
I was on grade level 15 when I left the federal service for Akwa Ibom State Service. Yes.
Yes. So under Federal Civil Service, you were not at any time Auditor General of the Federation.
No, I was not.
I was not the Auditor General. When I left the federal service, yes?
Yes. Your computation, your claim before this court is based on your computation, the computation of the State Accountant General, dated the 24th day of January 2012, which you submitted. Am I right?
It's one, Mr. Rankin, it's one of the exhibits.
Sorry, I think in the demand letter he sent to the third respondent, I think it's an attachment to the exhibit 6, if I'm not mistaken.
It's dated when?
It's dated the 24th day of January 2012, the computation.
Okay, yes, it's exhibit 1.
Exhibit 1 as a
one is dated 24th, Office of the Accountant General, Treasury.
Of Akwa Ibom.
Yes.
Yes. So your claim, so as I said, your claim is based on that computation.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Based on that computation.
My claim is based on exhibit JJ1. Yes.
In your, when you wrote to the third respondent, that is Pitad, you were asked to furnish Pitad with your computation at retirement when you were issued at retirement. Am I right?
My brother is clear. Say that again. It's not very clear.
Okay, sorry.
Mr.
At retirement, let me paraphrase it. At retirement, were you issued computation at retirement?
By who?
Yes.
By Pitad.
By
his employers,
the State Government, Accountant General.
Okay.
Yes, issued you at retirement, which is in 1999.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, yeah. I was issued.
I had three retired.
You had 3 what? You had 3
retirement authorities to pay my pension. There were 3 authorities for pension payments. 3. The first one, immediately I was about to retire, I had 1. After that, a civil service salary revision benefited me. And a second authority was issued to bring that into account. Then the third one came because even when that was brought to the attention of the Canadian, there was an error. I was not paid as according to my rank, and that was corrected again a third time. So I had 3 authorities. One as a retired with the old salary scale. Then before I retired, there was a revision which benefited me. So the first calculation was recalculated.
The first computation is dated when?
And the recalculation was I also had an error, and then I was not paid according to my rank. 2000.
So,
2000.
Mr. Joseph. Mr. Joseph, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, my lord. Yes.
Mr. Joseph.
My lord.
Sorry, my lord, shall I proceed?
My lord, I can hear you very well. I'm hearing you.
Are there the documents you have been presented as exhibit 1, 2, 3, and 4? Okay, sorry. The authority, there are 2, 3, and 4. Authority for payment of pension, they dated 7th of September 2000.
If I may assist.
Okay, yes, Mr. Edidion, yes.
All the authority
that's what I'm saying.
So that don't all the authorities are the tender. Yes.
That's exhibit JJ2 to JJ4. Yes, so Mr. Ringim, the question is whether he had.
Well, I have to look at the.
Yes, the
Yes,
computation.
Ringim, whether
he was issued a computation at retirement, which he answered to the affirmative.
Yeah, he said he was issued and they are the exhibit presented.
Before the
we have.
Yes, my lord, agree.
Okay. Yes. Okay, I was issued 3 computations after I retired. Yes.
You agree with me that pensions, the Accountant General of the Akwa Ibom State can only assess pension that you worked under Akwa Ibom State, not the federal share.
Yes.
My lord, all pensions were calculated by the State Accountant General. All my pensions and all, like other pensions, they were all done by the Accountant General, to include even past services. But later allocated according to
including the one to be paid by the federal government. Mr. Joseph.
My lord?
Including the one to be paid by the federal government, because his question is that the Accountant General of the state can only compute, somebody's pension, from the state. He can't compute for the, federal service. Is that not your question, Mr.?
Yes, that is my question. Yes.
Mr. Joseph, did you get him?
No, that is not right. All pensions of all retiring people in the service were completed by the State Accountant General and apportioned to the state and area service. That was the practice at that time.
The general can only compute for the pension to be collected from the state, not elsewhere.
No, that was not so, no, it wasn't so, my lord.
Eh?
In fact, all these pensions were originally paid by the state government. Then later they make a claim from the federal government. That's what happened in my time. All pensions paid by the state accountant general and paid. Then later they make a claim from the federal government for their own portion. That's what happened in my time.
Sorry, I didn't get you. I didn't get you.
Pensions were calculated by the state accountant general who issued authorities to pay pension. In fact, at that time, they not only they calculated and paid all pensions, and later would claim from the federal government. That's what happened. It was the duty of the state accountant general to calculate all pensions. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Should I proceed, my lord?
No, let's just hold on. It's the issue of the
Okay.
constitution of the state
As the court pleases.
to calculate all pensions. Mr. Joseph, including the one to be paid by the federal government. Eh?
I beg your pardon, sir.
I say including the one to be paid by the federal government.
Yes.
Okay.
In fact, the state government calculated and paid all, and later made a claim with the federal government for those they paid on their behalf.
Okay. Okay.
They paid all.
Okay, yes, Mr. Ringim, yes.
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 Yes, you agree with me that Peter, which is the third defendant, is not an agent of Akwa Ibom state government.
It's not.
Okay.
It is not.
Yes,
It's the federal government agent.
third defendant is not an agent of the Akwa Ibom state government. Yes.
And you also agree with that as such cannot Akwa Ibom state government, Peter cannot be bound by Akwa Ibom state government policies.
My lord, the
Yes.
arrangement was that, and I think it's still so, that all federal share of pension of state pensioners were managed, first of all, by the head of office of the head of civil service, who later handed that over to the Peter. It is a duty given to them by the federal government, not the state government.
So it cannot be bound by actual policies of state government. Peter cannot be bound by policies of state government.
My lord, I don't understand really. I don't know.
You answered that. You answered that Peter is not an agent of Akwa Ibom state government. You answered to the affirmative.
Yes.
Now a follow-up question that
Yes.
as such, it cannot be bound by policies of Akwa Ibom state government. It cannot be bound by it because it's not an agent of Akwa Ibom state government.
But no, there will be another understanding between the federal government and the state government. They are bound to implement what happened later on after I retired. So, because in the beginning, they were managing my retirement, my pension. And so they will continue to manage, even when the state government will make revision of salaries or pensions, they will stay informed.
So
whether they are bound or not, that's what I ask.
Yes, Mr. Joseph. Mr. Joseph.
Hello.
He's saying whether Peter is bound by.
That would be an issue of law.
No, please. It's not. Allow him to answer the question, please.
As a court, please.
Yes, Mr. Witness. Mr. Joseph, yes.
My lord.
He's saying whether, as far as the issue of payment of pension is concerned, isn't it, Mr. Ringim?
Yes, my lord.
As far as the issue of payment of pension is concerned, in this case, whether the Peter will be bound by the
policies
of the Akwa Ibom state government. Yes. Mr. Joseph.
Yes.
Then
I don't understand the question.
As far as the payment of this, your pension is concerned, whether the third defendant, Peter, will be bound by the policy or decision of the Akwa Ibom state government.
Somehow, yes.
Okay. Yes.
Because they are the federal government working in that behalf.
Excuse me.
So when you were, okay, sorry, my lord is writing.
Yes, the third dependent would be bound by the policy
State government of Akwa Ibom state government.
Akwa Ibom state government. Yes.
Yes, when you were in the service of our Akwa Ibom state government, your salaries are determined by Akwa Ibom state government salaries agency or commission, not by federal.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, when I was working with the Akwa Ibom state government, my salaries were determined by what?
State Akwa Ibom state government salaries commission. I don't know what they are called, but salaries state government. Not federal.
Akwa Ibom state salary institution, yes.
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 You actually, among the demand letters you wrote, among the demand you attach, among the document you attach to demand letter to PTAD, it's a letter from head of service of the Federation, head of civil service of the Federation, dated the 18th day of July, 2019. Am I right?
My lord, I don't remember that letter.
I refer to Exhibit 6, if I'm not mistaken. Among the attachment, head of service of the Federation.
Mr. Didion. Mr. Didion. Mr. Didion.
My lord, I'm here.
Ed, does the demand letter have any attachment?
My lord, I don't think
That,
I don't think
yes.
Yes,
from what I have, it's just the demand letter. It has four pages. So Mr. Sarinho, what I have here is the, unless if you want to refer him to any document that he pleaded or front loaded, but the ones that were admitted,
yes,
yeah, the ones that were admitted, the demand letter doesn't have any.
Okay, I have a couple places.
Any attachment.
Let me for reference. I'm sorry, just a minute.
But nothing stops you from. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. From the office of the head of service of the Federation, there was a circular that affects auditor generals, accountant generals, and permanent secretaries. Are you aware of such a circular?
Yes. Yes, I am.
You are aware of? Yes, you are aware of such a circular.
I'm aware.
Yes.
Yes.
Aware of a circular dated what?
Dated 18th July.
Dated
18th July, 18 of July, 2019.
Yes.
Yes. Affecting auditor generals, accountant generals.
The
auditor general, accountant generals, and permanent secretaries.
So affecting auditors,
general, secretaries of federal service.
And permanent
secretaries, yes, of federal service.
Okay. Yes.
That circular does not affect you. Am I right?
Yes.
That circular doesn't affect you in any way.
That circular followed an earlier circular, which the state government adopted. So it affects me also.
Circular.
In what capacity does it affect you? Please tell the court.
That circular said, the first circular said permanent secretaries, auditor general, and accountant will retire with 100% of the emolument. That was the first circular. Then this, which the state government had adopted here also. So the second circular, the second letter by the head of service of the federation will also affect me positively.
He said it will affect him.
Yes, the circular we are talking about talks about federal service, only those retired federal service. Recall, you said you were not at any point Auditor General of the Federation, but that of state.
Yes.
So this circular affects only those of federal service.
No. Even letters I have from Peter acknowledges that I'm a circular.
The letter is exhibit what? Did you tender it? Mr. Witness, Mr. Joseph. Mr. Joseph.
Hello.
The letter you received from Petard.
Please, I am an old man. I don't remember a lot of things. All what is submitted, I will you. I will record.
Okay, you have presented 6, and in any case, you can go on, Mr. Rankimes.
As a cop, please. As a cop, please.
Yes.
Yes. Your computation, the computation you submitted, which you are relying on, was issued 13 years after your retirement. Am I right? I would be right to say.
Which of the computation?
The computation he is relying on.
Which of them? Because he has three computations. He has...
Yes, the computation of 12th January 2012.
12th January 2012?
Yes, my lord. That's what he is relying on. It was issued about 13 years after your retirement.
24th January.
24th January, yes. About 13 years, issued about 13 years after your retirement.
So the last authority from payment of my pension was issued, I think, in 2007. I think so. I had one in 2000, 2001, and 2007. But in 2012, the Canada gave a summary of all these interpretations. The summary, not authority.
And that is what you are relying on in this matter.
Yes, my lord.
But before the one of 2012, he had the one of 2000, 2001, and 2007, isn't it?
Yes, my lord. He had the one issued at retirement. I believe that was the 2020 to 2000.
Yes, 2000, 2001, and 2007. Then he said the last one, which was the summary, was issued in 2012, isn't it?
I think that was the last. But the authorities were issued in 2001 and 2007. But later on, because that could not understand what my position was, they issued, they gave them
So the one issued to you at retirement is significantly different from the one you presented dated 24th day of January 2012. The one issued to you at retirement is significantly different from the one of 2012.
All the to me are deemed to be as on my retirement. The first one was issued, but that first one was not because it did not take into account the joint salary scale for which I was qualified. So on my date of retirement, all the three authorities are effective from the date of my retirement. The very first one was not correct because of a change in salary scale, which affected me. So
including the one of 24th January 2012. Hello.
Yes, madam.
Yes, Mr. Witness. Yes, Mr. Witness. Yes, Mr. Witness.
Me? Okay. Oh.
Yes,
I'm here.
I was saying that even the one dated 24th of January 2012 was deemed to have been given at your retirement. Yes. Isn't it?
All those authorities were defeated from my retirement date. This one was wrong.
Okay, so the one of 24th of January 2012 is the corrected version, because it's saying correct payment of pension. Yes, can you hear me?
The last authority is not a summary of all. It's just a correction. It's an additional payment to what you're for.
That is the one of 24th January. The one of 24th of January. Okay, it's the one. It's the one.
I don't.
It's addressed to the Permanent Secretary Office of the Head of Service of the Federation from Akwa Ibom State, government in Akwa Ibom State, the Office of the Accountant General. It's dated 24th January 2012.
Yes. Okay.
So
that was not authority. That was a summary of all.
Okay. So
that was a summary of all the authorities to show how much I was entitled to.
Okay.
Show the authority how much the second, how much the third, and all that were added and put together for me.
So exhibit JJ1 is a summary of exhibits JJ2 to JJ4. Yes. Mr. Ringimi said the letter dated 24th January 2012 is the summary of the other authority letters.
Yes, my lord, but it's not reflecting that in context. My lord is not reflecting that in context as the document. Council witnesses.
That is his.
Yes, that is his view regarding the letter.
Yes,
but it's not that letter. Well, of course, the document speaks for themselves.
Okay.
You cannot contradict the content of the document.
Okay. Yes.
So I will still ask you. Lastly, you were Auditor General of Akwa Ibom State government, not federal government.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, I was an Auditor General. I was the Auditor General of Akwa Ibom State government, but not that of the federal government. Yes.
And lastly, while you were Auditor General of Akwa Ibom State government, you enjoyed the privileges attached to the Auditor General of Akwa Ibom State government provided by Akwa Ibom State government.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, while I was the Auditor General, I enjoyed the privileges attached to that office. Yes.
Provided only by the state government, provided by the state government.
Okay. Provided only
by the state government.
By the state government, yes.
Yes, finally, the privileges provided by the federal government for Auditor General of the Federation does not affect you.
That is when he was the Auditor General of the Akwa Ibom State.
While he was Auditor General of Akwa Ibom State government. My question is, I will be right to say the privileges provided by the federal government to the Auditor General of the Federation does not affect him.
He was not enjoying the.
He was not enjoying the privileges provided by the federal government to the Auditor General of the Federation.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Sorry, but I think his this thing is hooking also. Because I
Okay.
I think they have a network problem in the courts or something like that.
Yes. Let me call them.
Okay, I'll copy this.
Yes, Mr. Ringim. Yes, Mr. Ringim. It's like they have run out of data, but they're trying to reconnect.
Please, my lord, I'll wait.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Idara. Mr. Okon, you are back.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Ringim, you can continue.
Yes, my lord, I asked the question, the last question I asked. I don't know
Yes.
whether my lord has gotten it. Or
He hasn't yet answered.
Okay, I asked witness, welcome. I said the privileges enjoyed by the Auditor General of the Federation provided by the federal government doesn't apply to you while you were in office.
Yes, but neither am I claiming that. What I'm claiming is my privileges as servant, which the federal government decided to bear.
That is your claim. That is your claim.
He was saying that. What? He was saying that. You say while you are the Auditor General, you're enjoying the privileges attached to that office provided by the Akwa Ibom State. So he's saying that were you also enjoying the privileges of an Accountant General from the federal government? Isn't it, Mr. Ringim?
Yes, my lord. While he's enjoying his state government privileges, does he also enjoy those one provided by the federal government for the Auditor General of the Federation?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Hello. What I'm saying is that I was a servant of the state government but then the federal government undertook to pay a part of my retirement benefits. That's what I'm talking about.
We have said that. Now asking you a question. You answered yes. You have privileges enjoyed by the state government as
Yes.
Auditor General. Yes, you answered that. Now I said,
Yes.
do you also enjoy privileges provided by the federal government to the office of the Auditor General of the Federation? That's what I'm saying. You said you have made all your claims, but I'm just asking you this question finally. Do you also enjoy those privileges provided by the federal government to the Auditor General of the Federation?
Like official vehicles, like isn't it?
Yes, well, all the privileges, including.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, my lord, the state service in that respect resembles the federal service. But I cannot say that I'm enjoying the federal government's privileges. No. But the state government had its own service, its own privileges, resemble that of the federal government.
Okay, I was not enjoying while I was the Auditor General. I was not enjoying the privileges from the federal government. Yes?
Yes, my lord, that is all for this witness. We are grateful for the audience.
Thank you, Ringim. That's all for this witness. Yes, Ekanem.
Yes,
Ekanem.
my lord.
Do you also wish to cross-examine?
There will be no cross-examination for the witness, my lord.
Okay. No cross-examination?
No, sir.
Okay. Of CW1 by the fourth amendment. No cross-examination. Mr. Gideon, any re-examination?
No re-examination.
Okay.
And that would be the case for the claimant.
Okay. D. Young. No re-examination. And that is the case for the claimant. So, Odofia, we are done for defense now, or what? Okay, yes. Sorry. So CW1 is discharged. CW1 is discharged. Yes, Odofia.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord.
Yes, yes, Odofia, yes. We are done for. Do we adjourn for your defense?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. So, Mr. Okondet.
So, no, 27th of April. 27th April, my lord.
Okay, so Mr. Edidion, Ringim and
yes, it's convenient. 27th April is convenient.
My lord, I'm so sorry. Can we have 28 if it's convenient? So sorry, my lord.
28.
28.
How
It's
about
convenient.
How about 28? Now we are suggesting 29th April, since 26th is not convenient to my left friend. I don't know if 29th April is convenient to him. 29th
28.
April.
What of 28 is not convenient for
It's
you?
not convenient, no. 29th is convenient. 26th, 27th, or 29th.
Are you 26 is a Sunday? Are you checking the right?
27 morning. April.
April.
27th is on Monday, yes. 27th or 29th is convenient. Convenient.
Okay. My lord, I will consider with 29 if it's convenient for the court.
Okay, so 29, is that agreed? Edition. Okay. So with the agreement with the parties, cases are adjourned to 29th of April 2026 for the defense of the first and second defendants.
That's all places.
God basis.
Thank you. Yes, Mr. Opones.
Suit number NIC and UI 45 2020. Between one Honorable Innocent Raymond Udalton. Honorable Ekerete Edet Akpakpang. Honorable Kokon Udo Uwa. Honorable Udrak Brenda Afainde. Honorable Edemeka Udoepe. Honorable Eseme Augustine Akpan.
Present.
And Honorable Raphael Isobara, a state of the local government council. Honorable Attorney General of Akwa Ibom State, Commissioner for Local Government and Chief Tenancy Affairs, Akwa Ibom State, Governor of Akwa Ibom State. My lord, the first, second, and the sixth claimants are present in court. Other parties are present.
First, second.
First, second, and sixth claimants are present in court. Other parties are absent.
Sorry, madam, may I seek the leave to exit?
Thank you, Mr. Ringin.
Thank you.
You can leave. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Thanks. Yes, yes, appearance.
No provide respect to the courts.
Is BM.
Benedict Mwigwe.
Is BM.
Mwigwe.
Mwigwe. Yes, yes, for the claimants.
Yes, my lord, for the claimants.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Hmm?
Hello, my name is Ike.
Eke. Okay, yes, yes.
WDIN. Hello,
WD.
hello, UDIM.
UDIM, yes.
Yes, madam. Hello, appearing with me and my learned friends. MF Udo.
MF Udom.
Sorry, my lord.
Which is it MM?
Yes, my lord. Udo.
Okay, MM.
Yes, my lord.
Udo and
Miriam Sunday.
Miriam Sunday.
And William.
William.
Eto Aaron. My lord. ETOK.
ETOK.
EREN.
ER.
EREN.
EN. Okay, yes, I've got it.
Hello, our appearance is for the first and second defendants.
For the first and second defendant. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
My lord, Jerome. My lord, Jerome Akwan used to appear for the 5th, 3 to 5. My lord, he used to come from the office of the Attorney General of the state.
Okay.
But we understand he has retired from service.
Okay.
So my lord, I just said, let me give that information to the court and I leave it to the court.
Yes, but on 28th of October 2024, somebody, E.D. Elendu, Principal State Council, appeared for the 3rd and 5th. Then on the yes, JJ Akpan. He was in court on the 11th of December 2024. DD legal. Also appeared on the. He also appeared on the 2nd of July 2025. I think when the application was taken, application of the. Okay, so let's hear from Mr. Benedict. The matter.
The matter was adjourned for hearing or knowledge, and we are seeing motion. The customers. The matter was adjourned today for hearing. Unfortunately, we are seeing that it is listed for motion the customers.
No, it's for hearing. I don't think we have any pending motion. Is that?
We don't have. We don't have.
Yes, it's supposed to be for hearing.
And we are ready to commence with our witness now.
Okay, we are ready.
Yes, now we will bring the jinx opening our case.
Okay.
Yes,
Mr. Udim.
Yes, my lord.
Are you ready?
Yes, my lord, I'm here, my lord.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Benedict. Where is the
Legal counsel for Honorable Legal Service, Raymond. How
many witnesses do you have?
now we have 6 witnesses. Now we will start with one today.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, witness, please tell the court your name.
Good afternoon, witness. Witness, are you a Christian or a Muslim?
I'm a Christian.
Do you want to swear or you want to affirm?
I can swear.
You want to Bible and repeat after me. I,
I,
your name,
Honorable Innocent Raymond Udogan,
swear that the evidence I shall give in this case
swear that the evidence I shall give in this case
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
My Lord, the witness is on oath sworn by the Holy Bible, stated in English version.
Yes.
Witness, please tell the court your name.
My name, Innocent, Honorable Innocent Raymond Udogan.
Witness,
Yes.
where do you live?
At Igbenang Community, Bekotobia Village, in the same local government.
I live at where?
The court wants to
Eh?
hear you. The court wants to hear you. Where do you live?
I live in
Yes.
Igbenang Community, Bekotobia, in the same local government.
That's it called Ibia local government.
Bekotobia Village, in the same local government.
Yes, please, can you pronounce that and sorry, spell that local government?
Spell the court Abiati.
Bekotobia, I-K-O-T.
IKOT.
Yes. Village.
Yes.
Igbenang what? Igbe I-K-P-E.
IKOT.
I-K-P-E.
Sorry.
I-K-P-E.
No, IKOT first, isn't it?
Yes.
Igbe.
No, Ikot.
Ikot. I-K-O-T. Abiat. Ikot Abiat. A-B-I-A-T. Abiat. Ikot Abiat.
ABAT.
A-B-I-A-T. Ikot Abiat.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
What do you do for a living, sir?
I'm a businessman.
Not a politician.
I'm too a politician.
Was.
Huh? You have retired from the politics. Mr. Innocent.
My lord.
I see you have retired from the politics.
No, I don't resign from politics.
You have retired from the office.
No, I don't retire from office.
That is.
I say you're a business. Yes. And a businessman, yes.
Yes, please, witness, record that you filed your depositions in respect of this matter in this court. You filed your depositions in respect of this matter in this court.
Yes, my lord.
When?
Now, the deposition of 11/12/2024 and the deposition of 2nd November
Yes.
2020.
20.
2nd November 2020, that's a reply. The first and second defendant's statement of offense. The deposition accompanied
11th December
the
2025.
The first one is 11/12/2024.
Okay.
But the earlier one, which was accompanying a reply, was filed on the 2nd day of November 2020.
2020?
2020, my lord, yes.
That was the first one.
My lord, because we amended, we are adopting the amended, the one that has 11/12/2024 is the amended, accompanied amended statement of facts. Now,
Okay.
that was the one that was filed accompanying the reply. We didn't need to amend it again, and also we are relying on it.
No, the one accompanied to the reply is dated is filed when?
Was filed on the 2nd day of November 2020.
2020?
Yes, my lord.
But the amended one is okay, is filed 11th December 2024.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
I can remember making the positions file on 2 November 2020 and 11 December 2024. Yes. And I wish to adopt them as my
Witness, you want the court to use this into the positions as well evidence in this case?
Yes, my lord.
yes.
Yes, in paragraph paragraph 23 of the position of 11/12/2024 through to paragraphs 26. That is from 23 to 26. You refer to certain letters, clearance letter, clearance certificates. Refer to clearance certificates dated August 24, 2023. We also
Yes.
refer to an attestation letter dated 17th October 2023.
Yes.
We also refer to letter of clearance, non-dated letter of clearance in respect of Honorable Innocent Raymond Odoti issued by Ward Chairman. The Ward Chairman
Yes.
Along may we respectfully tender this thread for now.
Identify them, but they are what? They are number one, clearance letter, attestation letter, and what?
Along we have the clearance certificate dated August 24, 2023.
24 August 20.
August 24, 2023.
Yes.
Then we have an attestation letter dated 17th October 2023.
Yes.
Then we have an undated letter of clearance, an undated letter headed letter of clearance in respect of Honorable Innocent Raymond Odokin, signed by the Ward Chairman.
So the clearance letters are two? Are they two?
My lord, yes, my lord, the clearance letters are, we have two documents that are clearance letter. Then the third one is an attestation letter.
Attestation letter, okay.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, let him say whether he can identify them.
Yes, these are the documents you refer to, those paragraphs. So, what are the documents? Then the court, if they are. The court wants to hear you. Are those the documents you referred to in your deposition?
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, and they're originals.
My lord, they are not, but we have given notice to produce in the
Okay.
in the deposition.
Okay.
And now we quickly apply to tender those documents as exhibits. My lord, proper foundations have been laid in the pleadings and in the witness deposition. Not the tender them as exhibits in this case.
Mr. Ujim.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the documents as shown to us in court
Yes.
in your they are in your
What? What?
The documents are in the original forms.
So they're not even the. So no objection.
Well, I do not know how this can be shown to the court. The documents are in their original forms.
That's what I'm saying. No objection. In essence, no objection.
No, my lord, there is objection because it's different from what was pleaded. My lord, if your lordship looks at paragraph 24, 25, 26 of the deposition of the gentleman here, the witness here, what
Yes.
he is photocopies.
Okay.
He stated that the original is with the PDB.
Yes.
What is sought to be tendered is original, which is different from what was pleaded.
But they are the same document. They are the documents that he has mentioned in it.
But no, what was pleaded.
Mr. Udim,
Yes, ma'am.
your concern is that he pleaded photocopies.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? But he's tendering original copies.
Yes, and that's different from what was pleaded.
Okay, so what? Maybe you can reserve your objection, but till the final address, you can say, isn't it? Whatever argument that you want to say with regards to the admissibility or otherwise of the. So yes, the documents are original copies.
Although our objection is that the documents are original copies.
Yes, original as opposed to the yes.
Photocopies pleaded in paragraph 24,
yes.
25, and 26.
As opposed to the photocopies pleaded.
Yes.
At paragraph
24, 25, 26, and 27.
Of the
amended written deposition of PW1.
Okay, but you
reserve further argument on this.
Okay.
As a court has guided.
What do you want to say?
Yes, my lord, just to further guide the court. My lord, what we have presented is a photocopy, but it is colored photocopy. We will implore the court to look at it very well. See, my lord will say that it is not signed, it is not a ink, it is not signed in ink, it is a colored photocopy of the document, of the original. And that is why we are taking it upon ourselves to give notice to produce what the witness did when he was giving the words to photocopy it using a colored ink.
It's okay. When we get to the final address, you can.
As the court pleases.
Isn't it? Ms. Okon,
Yes, my lord.
the letter dated 17th of October 2023, attestation letter,
Yes, my lord.
how many pages does it have?
My lord, just one page.
What about the letter dated 24th of August 2023?
My lord, one page.
What about the other one?
One page, my lord.
Okay, thank you. So claimants documents, that is attestation letter dated 17th October 2023, clearance letter dated 24th August 2023, and undated letter of clearance admitted evidence and marked as exhibits HON1, HON2, and HON3 respectively.
As for this.
Yes. Mr. Benedict.
Yes, my lord. Yeah, witness, in paragraph 28 of self-deposition, you have referred to a check and you said that was issued to you for your severance benefits by the three defendants. That is correct.
Yes, my lord, it is correct.
That he was issued a check or what? He can identify a check.
For his severance benefits. Severance benefits.
He can identify a check of my severance benefit, yes.
Please, witness, take a look. You see, this is the photocopy of that check. Refer to. Now that represents the check you refer to in price 28.
It is my lord.
That what?
My lord will show the witness the photocopy of the check needed for identification.
Yes.
And it's it is.
Yes. Yes.
My lord respectfully apply to tender the photocopy. Included in paragraph 28.
What happened to the original?
Now we have stated that.
Okay. So Mr. Benedict, aside from this check, do you also have any other document to tender?
Yes, my lord, we have, but unfortunately those documents are not with us. That's why
No, I mean
now.
I mean,
we erroneously left the file because the document is in the original form, so it was
okay.
in the
Okay, so for today, this is the last one you are tendering.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
You say it stated that the original of the check is what?
My lord.
You said it's stated in the pleadings in the deposition that the original of the check.
My lord, he relied on the witness. What is the original of that check?
I thought we mentioned that it's in the statement is mentioned that is.
Yes, my lord, what he has pleaded. My lord, the check was issued, he has cashed the check, my lord, and nobody comes out with originality.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
yes, my lord.
Okay. So you seek to tender it in evidence?
Yes, my lord, the photocopy.
Mr. Udim?
Yes, madam. Well, we're objecting.
Yes, on what ground?
The document sought to be tendered is not signed.
Oh, okay, but okay.
It has not been signed, madam. An unsigned document has no place in the court of law.
Okay, your further argument would be submitted in the
Sorry, madam.
final address. Is that
No, my lord, this should even be rejected here. My lord,
Eh?
no, my lord, this should even be rejected at trial, my lord. Because that document,
shouldn't
no signature.
shouldn't be admitted? Shouldn't be rejected?
It should be admitted, my lord. That's our.
No, it's still the same thing. You can reserve your objection and submit the whatever, whether it's on ground of law or fact, because documents strongly admitted can be expunged. You understand
As a complicity.
at any stage, yes. So in order to avoid the you know
Our objection at this stage is that
I've already indicated that you said it's not signed,
as a
but
complicity.
but your arguments will be submitted. You understand? In support of the objection in the final address, so that at that stage we can, even if it's admitted now, it doesn't mean that the court can work on it. It doesn't mean that if it's strongly admitted, the court can't expunge it. So that we save time.
Thank you.
It's not signed, but our further Mr. Benedict is dated when the check. Dated when?
Check it dated
31st October.
31st October 2023, Mama.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So without prejudice to the first and second defendants' objection to the admissibility of the document, which argument?
Allow respect, sir. Allow, we didn't make it. We were trying to make a reply to the argument.
No, you don't. You don't need to make at the address when he submitted his argument. You can reply yes. So without prejudice to the first and second defendants' objection to the admissibility of the document, which argument will be submitted at the final address stage? Copy of a check dated at 1st of October 2023, submitted in evidence and marked as exhibits HON 4. Yes.
I'm not going to pray the court for the date, my lord. We are praying for an adjournment. My lord, the remaining documents we are supposed to tender to witnesses, we inadvertently forgot it in the office, my lord, because they were in the original copies, so we thought they were in the file. We forgot that we have put it in a separate file, my lord. Well, we are sorry.
Mr. Udim?
Yes, my lord.
Any objection?
Yes, my lord, there is objection.
But
Thank you for this matter today. If counsel was not ready to go on to the end, it shouldn't have been started. My lord, if my lord is minded to give them an adjournment, my lord, let it be on terms.
yes.
We asked for 200,000 naira.
But Mr. Udim, at least we have done something now. Mr. Udim.
Yes.
Hello. At least we have done something, isn't it?
Well, I give up at this point.
I say we have done something. We have given it a bite, and the counsel for the third and fifth is not even here, isn't it?
Given up at this point.
So even if and this is the first time that you have even allowed this matter to progress, to even proceed, because it's like you have filed an objection which was overruled since 2023, isn't it?
No, my lord, I've never stopped this matter from proceeding. I have never.
Your objection was even filed on the 13th of April 2022.
No, my lord, we filed an objection and we rooted it on the fact that there is a similar matter in the curriculum and it's still there, my lord. But in the wisdom of the court, my lord
overruled you
of the objection. Yes, my lord, the final objection we think is within the rights of the party. They can file against me, I can file against them. But my lord, we have never stopped this matter from proceeding. We have never.
okay.
So my lord, if the court is minded to grant them the adjournment without cause,
Adjournment.
we leave it to the
Yes.
court.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Condet.
On the 29th of April. Since
Is that okay? 29, is that okay?
It's covenant to me, my lord, to the claimant's counsel.
Mr. Benedict.
My lord, the counsel to the defendant says it's not covenant to him. I don't have an agreement.
So which day is convenient to you?
I'm not regarded by the court now.
Mr. Okon,
What of me?
I'm not part of me is convenient to me. I know it's convenient. Good counsel.
okay. Mr. Udim, is that okay?
Yes, Father.
Okay.
Lord, for definite hearing.
Man, I would be ready to close that case that day, man. Then friends.
Lord, I don't trust that.
Mr. Okon,
Yes, my
Mr.
lord.
Okon, that fourth is which date?
On a Monday, my lord.
Okay, it's Monday.
Yes, my lord.
I hope, Mr. Bell, you are going to bring your other witnesses.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I will get all of them ready for that day.
All of them.
Yes, my lord. Lord, if the
So-
court
so-
is going to close the date for us, we'll be glad.
So if that's the case, Mr. Okon, you shouldn't put. Maybe you should just put one, isn't it?
My lord, we have one already, judgment.
Ah,
Yes, my lord.
okay. So we shouldn't put much cases on that day since he's calling
All right,
Mr.
my lord.
Since Mr. Udim is now very, very eager to, to get done with the case.
My Lord, may I respectfully ask how? Will you respect, my Lord?
I said you are not eager. You are eager to get done.
My Lord, I wasn't been eager to do the case. My Lord, this COVID met this case. And there was also
Okay.
during COVID. And after that, my Lord, we find instances where the court hasn't sat. Maybe not caused by the court, but the court.
Oh, okay. It was filed during the COVID.
Yes, my Lord.
No, it was filed on the. But it came up first on the 30th of November.
So, my Lord, we've never delayed the hearing of this matter. And my Lord, we don't even have the capacity to delay hearing of cases in the court.
No, I know.
Yes, we do.
I can just see your enthusiasm in trying to see that we get disposed of the case. Is it because of your fee?
My Lord, we don't have any problem with this case.
Okay.
Our fee is taken care of.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. So that fourth, it's okay, but 4th May 2026. Ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So cases adjourned to the 4th of May 2026 for continuation of hearing. In the meantime, CW owner is temporarily discharged. Cost shall be in the course. Mr. Okon,
Yes, my lord.
any other case?
None, my lord, that's all.
Okay, so Mr. Benedict,
Yes, my
Mr.
lord.
Udim,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
and your team. That will be all for today. I wish you good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Thank you. So till then, and arise.